basically your tassel is complete. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be learning how to make a tassel for a beaded bag. Okay, if you already watched the part 1 of how I made the tassel beaded bag, this is part 2 of how to make a tassel for the bag for us to continue. So you can make tassels for any type of bag anyway, or any kind of project, but we're going to make this one specifically for the tassel beaded bag. So we're going to be following the measurements for the tassel beaded bag. So I'm using this twine called a nylon twine. You can use the embroidered thread if you like, but I'll prefer this because this is quite thicker compared to the embroidered thread, but either one works perfectly. So you need, based on the measurement of your tassel, you'll be needing a cardboard for the measurement. I'm going to be needing about 6 inches of tassel. Okay, I'll be needing 5 actually, but I'll be needing a cardboard of 6 so that when I need to trim and measure, you know, the proper length of it. So a cardboard of 6 inches. You need a tape rule obviously, or a ruler for measurement, and you need scissors. You need ones that are really sharp, okay, for the proper trimming of the tassel. So what I'm going to be doing now is, because I'm using a nylon twine, I don't need so much thickness, so I'm going to be wrapping this around the cardboard about 115 times. If you're using a embroidery thread, you need to double that, okay? So that will be 115 multiplied by 2, or you can increase that depending on how thick you want it to be. But because I'm using a nylon thread, it's going to be just 115 times, okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's easier when you throw this down for me, because when it's on the table it's quite disturbing. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is the thickness of 20. I'm going to be doing this 115 times. And this is 115 times. So I'm going to go ahead to cut it here. Okay, and then I'm going to be cutting another length of it, just something a little bit, and then we're going to be passing this one underneath the thread, okay, just like this, and we're going to wrap it like so a few times, and then we're going to tie that up, okay, just like this, and second time, okay, just tie it up multiple times just to secure it like that. Then we're going to be taking it off cardboard. Okay, then you have this. Now you're going to cut it in 2, just like this. You have that cut, okay. So obviously you have some that would be a bit longer, or never mind, because you're going to be trimming it, okay. So next thing, you're going to cut another twine a bit longer this time around, and then we're going to fold it this way, folded, and then you're going to wrap this around multiple times, okay, and then you're going to tie your knots multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, So this is what we have. This is how you make your tassel. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to be trimming. It's based on the length of tassel you need. So I said I need 5 inches, not 6. Okay, this is why you always try to make sure you get a cardboard that is a bit longer than the desired measurement, so that when you need to trim, it's not too short, nor that is it too long. This is where our 5 stops. So I'm going to be holding that part. 5. So this is 5. I'm going to be cutting off excess. Okay, you can also go ahead to comb it and flat iron it, but you can do that after you've used it for the project, and then you do it on the project. So I'm going to clear my table now, and basically your tassel is completed. It's as simple as that. For my project, I'm going to be needing 24 of this, so I'm going to be putting this 24 times, and then I'll be good to go. Okay, so this is how you make your tassel. If you enjoyed my tutorial, don't forget to give it a like, a thumbs up, say something in the comment section. Let me know if you enjoyed the tutorial, what you'd like to see next, and stay tuned for part 3 of our tassel beaded bag. Bye.